beautiful people. Welcome to Teach Miss Campbell. My name is Miss Campbell. I'm super excited to teach you a fun story problem lesson today. If you enjoy the video, make sure that you like and subscribe for more amazing content. I'm here to help you, and if you have any suggestions, any tips, or any things that you would like to learn, please comment below in the comment box, okay? Let's begin today for our lesson. It's a story problem about eating apples and staying healthy. We need to build our immune system. We need to stay active. We need to make sure that we fight away diseases and keep our body healthy and fit. So I'm going to talk about apples today because I love apples. I love apples, oranges, I love bananas, strawberries, blueberries, you name it, okay? I love it all. So today in my story problem, I have 84 apples, okay? So Miss Campbell has 84 apples, and my friend is super nice, and my friend decides to give me some more apples. And I'm like, ooh, I'm so happy. I cannot wait to eat some more apples. Then I count all my apples all together, and now I have 121 apples. So I'm wondering, how many apples did my friend give me, right? How many apples did Miss Campbell's friend give her? So let's find out how we can solve this story problem. I'm going to show you 3 different ways how you can solve this story problem. So get ready to learn, and I hope you enjoy the lesson. The first step I'm going to show you is the vertical way strategy. And this strategy is just using hundreds, tens, and ones place value units, okay? I'm going to start with the bigger number. In this story problem, the bigger number is 121, okay? So I'm going to divvy this up. This will be the first way, the second way, and then the third way, okay? So let's begin with the first way. The first way, I'm going to say 121 minus 84. The reason why I am saying 121 apples, take away 84 is because I'm trying to find the missing number. I don't know how much apples my friend gave me, so I'm trying to find out what is the missing number. So I'm going to take away 84 from 121 to find out how much is left, because that will be the missing number to help me remember and know how many apples my friend gave me. So when we subtract, we always start in the ones place, okay? When we subtract, we always start in the ones place, correct? Yes. So I'm going to go here to the ones place, and I start at the top. It says 1 minus 4. Now, 1 minus 4, we cannot do that because the bottom row is bigger than the top. And the top, 1 needs to be bigger. So that means I have to go next door and knock on 10's door, and I'm going to borrow a 10. So now I'm going to borrow a 10, and I'm going to bring it over to the 1. So I bring it over to the 1, so that's 10 plus 1, the 1 becomes 11. And now remember, I had borrowed and taken away a 1 from the 2, so that means I have 1 left. Do I need to go to the hundreds place? No, I'm good. So I can stop right there. So now I'm going to subtract, and I'm going to say I have all bigger numbers at the top, so I can take away the bottom row now. It's good to go. I start in the ones place, and I say 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4. Let's count backwards. We have 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So that means 11 take away 4 equals 7. So I'm going to write 7. Now I go to my tens place. Ooh. My tens place has a 1. 1 minus 8. Can we say 1 minus 8? No, we can't do that. The 8 is bigger. So yes, I do have to go to the hundreds place. So now I'm going to go knock on hundreds place door, and I'm going to borrow a 1. I put the 1 here. Now that 1 becomes an 11, and I had 1 in the hundreds place, but I took away a 1. So how much do I have left? 0. 0. So that's nothing. Now I can solve. The 11 is greater than the 8. So 11 minus 8. Let's count backwards and see what that would be. 11, 10, 9, 8. Ooh, I have 3 fingers up. So that means 11 take away 8 equals 3. All right. So our answer is 37. So that means my friend gave me 37 more, right? 37 more because some more apples. Correct, right? So we know more. My friend gave me 37 more apples. So we're good with that. Now let's use another strategy to solve this story problem, okay? So now let's try to use the arrow way. We're going to start from 84. This is the arrow way strategy. And again, over here, I had used the vertical way. Remember, vertical goes down. So I had to use the vertical way strategy here, and that goes down. And that's the old way I used when I was younger. We didn't call it vertical way, but now they're calling it vertical way, so I'll call it vertical way. It's cool. It's the same way. Arrow way. Okay. I'm going to start at 84, and I'm going to go all the way up to 121. So I'm going to count by 10. So I'm going to say 84 plus 10. 84 plus 10. What's 84 plus 10? 94. And let's 10 more. 94 plus 10. What's 94 plus 10? 104. Now, if that was a little fast for you, I'll slow it down. So, 84 plus 10. 84, counting 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. See that? 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Okay? So, 94 plus 10, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. Did we reach 121? Nope. So we have to keep adding more until we get to 104. Until we get to 121. So let's see. 104 plus 10. What is 104 plus 10? 114. Right? 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, right? That's all of our 10 fingers, 114. And now, have we reached 121? No. What if I were to say 114 plus 10? What would that equal to? 114 plus 10. That would be 124. So that's too big. So I can't do that. I'm going to have to say 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121. Did I get to 121? Yes. How many fingers did I add? 7. So that means if I add 7 more, I will get to our final answer, 121. Now I can add up all the numbers that I added to reach 121. Once I add all these numbers, once I add 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 7, I will be able to know how much more my friend gave me. How much more apples did my friend give me? So I'm going to say 10, right? Check. Plus 10 plus 10 plus 7. So now we have all of them. We have 10 plus 10. We know 10 plus 10 equals 20. And what's 20 plus 10? 20 plus 10 equals 30, right? Because 10, 20, 30. So what's 30 plus 7? 30 plus 7 equals 37. So our answer is the same. Do you see that? 10, 20, 30, 37. My friend gave me 37 more apples. Even though I used 2 different strategies, I still have the same answer. Isn't that so cool, right? Okay, so the last strategy that I'm going to show you is super cool. So listen up, the take out 10 method. The take out 10 strategy, okay? Or method. Take out 10 method / strategies. So this is the same as taking away here, but it's a little different. So watch closely, okay? I'm going to start with 121 minus 84 equals blank. Now the takeout method is going horizontal. Remember, my vertical way was going straight up and down. This is going horizontal. So I'm going to take out 10, multiple of 10 from the 121. What is a multiple of 10 that I can take out? I can take out 120. 120 is a multiple of 10, so I can take out 10, multiple of 10, right? And then what's left over? You guessed it, 1. 1 is left over, okay? Now, again, I'm going to go over to the 84. In the 84, I'm going to take out a multiple of 10. And what is the closest multiple of 10 to the number 84? 80. And then I'm going to go to take out what's left from, I had 80, we're taking out what's left is, yep, you guessed it, 4. Okay, so you may be wondering, what is a multiple of 10? A multiple of 10 is just counting by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, all the way up to like thousands, millions, but making sure you're counting by tens. And if I were to count by tens with a multiple of 10 that's closest to 121, it would be 120. If I'm counting by 10, a multiple of 10 that's closest to 84 would be 80, okay? All right, hope you understand. All right, let's move on. The first step to take out 10 method is taking away the big numbers, meaning the multiple of 10s. 120, take away 80. They are the biggest 2 numbers in this problem, right? So I'm going to write 1. I'm going to say 120 minus 80 equals. Now, I don't want you to think this is tricky, because all I want you to think of, if you know your subtraction and you know how to count backwards, you can do this. Don't get confused by the 3-digit and 2-digit numbers and think you cannot do this. You can. If we were to just look at this right here, this number 12 and this number 8, we would know that 12 minus 8 equals 4. Exactly. 12. Take away 10. 9. I'm sorry, 12. 12. Take away 11. 10. 9. 8. I take away 4, I get 8. So that means 12 take away 8 is 4. Right? And if I add those zeros, 0 take away 0, we know 0 take away 0 is nothing. So you just put the 0 here. So 120 minus 80 equals 40, okay? And now let's go, we're done with these 2 numbers. What 2 numbers are left? 4 and 1. Can I say 1 minus 4? No. So I should say 4 minus 1, right? So I'm going to say 4 minus 1 equals 3. You have 4 fingers, you take away 1, 3 is left. Okay? Now, my last equation that I'm going to use so that I can understand how much apples my friend gave me, I'm going to say 40 take away 3. So I'm going to write 40 minus 3 equals 37. Yes, 40, 39, 38, 37. And there you go. You have just solved the story problem using 3 different strategies. First strategy was the vertical way strategy, then the arrow way strategy, and then the take out 10 method strategy. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope you understand how you can use many different strategies and still get the same answer. Okay? I'm going to leave one story problem for you to solve so that you can do at home. All right?
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time.
All right. Ooh, my arm. Ooh, I feel strong. That took out a lot of pain power. A lot of pen power. Woo, woo, woo. All right, y'all. So I have your story problem ready to go. There are 64 students in the school. The school bus drops off some more students. Now there are 187 students. How many students did the school bus drop off? I want you to solve this at home using the vertical way strategy, arrow way strategy, take out 10 method strategy, or if you know a new strategy, go ahead and show me how you do that, show me your way. And I would love to see that. Comment below, like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more amazing videos from Miss Campbell. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Be blessed and be safe. Thank you for joining. Bye-bye.